Hey guys, my name is Kaz. Today I'll be making this frozen ramen from Tao. I hear about this restaurant a lot, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm really excited. Let's get started already. Okay, I have 2 pots here. Water is boiling. And first I'm gonna warm up this soup. And then next I'm gonna cook these noodles. And I will cook this for 6 minutes. Okay, it's been 6 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water. And then you have to warm up these toppings in the soup pot. And 1 minute. I put noodles in the bowl. And okay, it's done. Look. Looks so good. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu. You know what? I think I said ramen earlier, but this is tsukemen. So I'm gonna dip these noodles into the soup. So good. It's like I'm just eating at a restaurant. This is really good. Let me try the chashu. Really good. It was easy to make. That was quick. And the quality is just like eating at a ramen restaurant. So I really like it. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I'm gonna eat the rest of it. Bye bye.